How to fix echo in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can fix echo in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So if you want to fix the issue of echoing voice, then the first thing that you will need to do is join any Microsoft Teams meeting. So for example, let's say I'm going to join this particular meeting right here, and now let's say in here I face some issues, especially echoing voices. So if you hear echoing voices, what you can do is simply click onto this more button at the top, which also goes by the name more actions. And once you click here, you will see this fourth option, that is audio settings. So simply click onto audio settings, and from here enable this high fidelity music mode. So it is essential that we enable the high fidelity music mode in order to access the other two options. Now from here you can see the last option that says enable echo cancellation. So this will also be enabled if you will enable the high fidelity music mode, but if it is not the case, make sure that you have enabled the enable echo cancellation. So once you will do this, there is a high chances that the echo that you're hearing will be gone, and you will basically hear the perfect audio. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.